Hello.
This is Yamni from GJC Girls Guntur.
Yes, Yamini, continue.
Yes, ma'am. These classes are very useful, and also we have learned a lot things how to behave, and also how to interact with another persons, and also how to know other persons how they are and how they are talking, and we have learned how to decide who are good friends and who are bad friends, and we have also learned a lot things that so we now we are able to face the society, because after completing inter we have to go out and we have to study higher studies, so it will be very useful, ma'am. So I thank APSSDC for conducting these classes, because these classes are very important for each and everyone to build their life in a successful manner. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Yamini. Thank you for your opinion. Anyone?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Sunil.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Sunil Prabhu from Government Vocational Junior College, Anantapur. So I'm very thankful for APS for giving me such a great opportunity to introduce myself and to know about the things that what I should learn in life. This course is useful for me to improve my communication skills and my personality development, ma'am. Maintaining a relationship with family and how to recognize our friends and what are the communication types. I have learned a lot in this. It's very useful for me, ma'am, for getting such a class. I'm very grateful to express my opinion in here very freely, and I'm thankful for all of APSSDC trainers for giving me a great experience from this. I'm very thankful, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Sunil. Okay, students. Now we have the Viva section today. So our trainers Shiva Saina sir and Anuradha ma'am both will conduct our Viva session. So you have to answer the questions whatever they ask. Okay, be ready for that. Be prepared for that. And the topics are whatever discussed in the earlier session only. Nothing to bother. Okay, sir, are you ready?
Yes,
Sainath
ma'am.
sir.
Ma'am, good morning. Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, previously I tried to talk to Yamini. I think. I doubt is my voice audible or now is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the strength of the session, ma'am? Right now, how many students have joined the session?
Actually, now it's 87, sir, but it will increase.
So, shall we start with the session or we'll just interact with them? I'd like to inform you regarding on what basis this Viva will be. There will be 5 things which we will be considering. So, first of all, your listening skills. So, how good you are able to listen to those sentences, and then your body language, how you're using your body parts to explain your answers, and your communication skills, how well you are able to communicate with each other. So, these points also will be considered, and your English fluency. So how clearly you are pronouncing your English words will also be noted, and the content. So whatever the question is, be exactly to the point. I mean, whatever the question is, give relevant answers. We don't expect any irrelevant answers. We expect relevant answers from you. Okay. So Anuradha ma'am, do you want to add anything else?
Nothing, sir. Whatever you have said, all those are correct. Shall we wait or shall we start the session, sir?
I think we can start. Srivani ma'am.
Yes, sir.
So shall we start?
Yes, sir. You can start in between the time they will join one by one.
So who want to come first for the Viva session? So those who come voluntarily will be awarded extra marks, not like extra marks.
Oh,
Who
Saina
wants to
sir.
come first for the Viva session?
Saina sir.
Ma'am.
Just I want to interact 2 minutes with the students.
Yes, definitely, ma'am. You can. Please,
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, good morning, students. Welcome to today's session. So I am Anuradha. So today we are going to conduct a Viva in both the soft skills and English, as you know. I hope each and everyone prepared well for the Viva and don't feel nervous to say the answers. So whatever you know, sir is going to ask you a few questions. So whatever you know regarding that particular question, you share your views. That's it. Okay, na? I request each and every children to participate actively and don't think, am I right or wrong? Okay, now don't think in that way. So whatever you know about that particular question, share your views. Okay, now. Then all the best, children. Okay, sir, you can.
So as Anuradha ma'am said, I'm sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. So I am Sivsainath. I'm a trainer for these personality development sessions. And I once again wish all the students a very good luck for this Viva session. So be confident in whatever you are saying, whatever you have learned. So whatever you are saying, be confident in saying. Okay. Don't get confused because మీకు సెషన్స్ చెప్పింది లహరి మేడం. ఐ నో లహరి మేడం మీకు పర్సనాలిటీ డెవలప్మెంట్ సెషన్స్ చెప్పారు. సో ఏవైతే మేడం చెప్పారో వాట్ ఎవర్ మీరు ఏదైతే నేర్చుకున్నారో అది కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా చెప్పండి. ఓకే, ఫైన్. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గెట్ స్టార్టెడ్. శ్రీవాణి మ్యామ్, ఎవరితో స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి? Should we choose ourselves?
First, I think Yamini, are you ready? Yamini, Sunil, are you there? Respond.
Yes, ma'am, we are.
And one more thing to add, what I want to add is, so whenever you are giving the Viva, make sure that you are sitting in a standard position. We don't want answers when you are moving. So find a place where there is proper network signals and a place where there is proper, no voice disturbances. So అలాంటి ప్లేస్ ఒకటి చూసుకొని ముందే మీరు అక్కడ కూర్చోండి before giving your answers. Okay, that is my advice to all the students. Advice as well as request.
Students, please fix your devices at a place and please sit in beside them. Devices దగ్గర ఫిక్స్ చేసి మీరు కూర్చోండి అమ్మా. Don't move here and there. వీడియో ఆన్ చేసిన వాళ్ళందరూ వీడియో ఆన్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే వీడియో ఆన్ చేయండి అండ్ డివైజెస్ ఒక దగ్గర పెట్టి మీరు కూర్చోండి. ఎక్కడో దగ్గర ఫిక్స్ చేసుకోండి. లైటింగ్ అది బాగున్న ప్లేస్ లో మీరు డివైస్ పెట్టుకొని కూర్చోండి. ఓకే, అండ్ బీ రెడీ టు ఇంటరాక్ట్.
Excuse me, ma'am.
One more point I want to add. Amma, while you are giving answer, just introduce yourself, like your name and from which college you are participating in the session. Am I clear?
Clear, madam.
Okay then.
Shit.
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Okay, Yamini, what's your college name?
Sir, my name is Yamni and I am from Government Junior College for Girls, Guntur. I'm studying senior BPC English medium, sir.
To interrupt you, I didn't get your college name. GJC? Guntur.
GJC Girls, Guntur. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Fine. So, so the question for you is, actually there are two streams in this, as you know. One is from personality development and one is from English. So the question now is from English. Okay, and your question is, so try to introduce yourself. Introduce doesn't mean that not just your details. So tell me about yourself for 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay,
just
sir.
tell me about yourself. Okay,
Okay,
is it clear? Okay, continue.
okay, sir. Good morning to all and good morning, my dear friends. My name is Yamni and I am from Government Junior College for Girls, Guntur. First of all, I would like to thank APSSDC for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself to everyone. Let me tell you about my schooling. I have studied up to 5th standard at Ashok Memorial Chanakya High School at Hyderabad, and I have completed my 10th standard at Auxilium English Medium High School, Guntur. Presently, I am pursuing Senior Inter BPC English Medium at GJC Girls, Guntur. Coming to my family, we are 4 members in our family, including me. My father name is Mr. Venkat Srinivas, and he is a car driver. And my mother name is Mrs. Kanka Durga, and she is a homemaker. And I have an elder sister, and her name is M. Vaishnavi. So she is studying degree final year, BSc. My hobbies are listening to music, singing, and reading books. So my strength is my family, and also I believe in my hard work. So I want to tell about my family, because for each and everyone, the first and best teachers are our parents. Because when we see the world for the first time, we may cry. But the persons who give you the strength that we are with you are our parents. So first of all, I would like to thank God for blessing me with such a wonderful family, because they always encourages me in every aspect, and also they don't discourage me if I fail. They keep on encouraging me to develop myself. So without my parents, I'm nothing. So I have seen my parents struggling a lot to give us education. So because financially we are very down, because my sister have undergone a surgery last year, so that we are dropping. uh, Even then we are financially dropping. The parents try to give us the things what we want for the studies. So I would like to thank my parents, but I cannot thank I cannot thank, because whatever we give them we cannot thank them. So I also want to thank my sister, because in every aspect she is the first person to encourage me if I disappoint. So she is only the one person who makes me stronger and stronger to any aspect. So, and also coming to my friends, I have 5 members, and they also supports me a lot in a difficult times. Also, they come to me and ask me if I need any help. They are the first persons who help me, and also I thank my friends also, whoever helped me in my difficult times. So I thank everyone for supporting me and encouraging me in every aspect. So all of you made me stronger, and also becoming stronger. And coming to these classes, so I would like to thank I would like to thank Lahari ma'am for training us in such a way that we are able to improve our communicative skills. So wherever we go, they ask us to speak in English. So now we are able to speak in English, and also we are able to communicate with each other. And also we have improved a lot by these courses. So how to behave with the strangers, and how to recognize who are our friends and those who are not. And also what is a team building. So in a team building, in a teamwork, how we should behave. So all these things I have learned in this course. I would like to thank APSSDC for conducting these classes, because these classes are very important and very useful to our life. um, because we don't get these chance again and again to learn all these things. So even in my school I have not learned these many things. So I would like to thank APSSDC again. I'm so glad to attend these classes, and now I'm confidently able to speak to everyone. So because of these courses only, I'm able to speak in front of you. So thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity, and have a great day. Thank you, sir.
Yamini, just 1 second.
Sir,
Is there a problem for you to switch on your video?
sir, actually my camera is not working, sir.
Nothing like that. Actually, you do have marks for body language as well. So that is the reason why I'm. Okay, if there is a problem.
Sir?
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Anuradha ma'am,
Yes, sir.
you were.
Sir, first shall we continue with the English questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey.
Actually, I asked her about her self-introduction, ma'am. That's a question from English.
Yes. I am I want to talk with Yamini once.
Yeah.
1 second. Yamini, very good, ma. Very good participation in the session, and your communication skills in English are very good. So we are unable
Thank you,
to check your body language because you didn't switch on your video.
Sorry, ma'am, for that. My camera is not working since.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Yamini. Okay, na continue like this and be. I wish you have to be in a
Hello,
good
ma'am.
position in your life.
Thank you, ma'am.
I request each and every student while you are answering, please switch on your webcams. Okay, please switch on your webcams. So 5 marks are allotted for your body language. So I request each and every student to switch on your webcams while you are answering.
Ma'am.
So, shall we go with next second question, sir?
Hello.
Please.
Sir, go with next question.
Question: if someone is interested, just unmute them only.
Yes,
Then
sir,
it will
sure.
be good. Okay. So we'll do one thing. We will come up with a question. We'll pose the question here. So who wants to answer? They can raise your hand. మీకు అందరికి హ్యాండ్ రైస్ చేయడం తెలుసు కదా జూమ్ లో. సో హ్యాండ్ రైస్ చేయండి లేదంటే మెసేజ్ చేయండి. అప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తారు. దెన్ యూ కెన్ గివ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. సో విల్ డూ ఇట్ దిస్ వే. ఓకే. Anuradha ma'am, is it fine?
Yes, sir. Fine.
Okay. So next question, ma'am.
Yes.
So you want me to ask or you will ask the question?
Sir, English questions you have to ask. Okay.
Okay. So I want one of you to give me 5 sentences using can. So who can give me 5 sentences using can? Anusha Anantapur. Madam, Srivani ma'am, sorry, unmute cheyandi. Anusha.
Yes. Anusha, please unmute.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Anusha.
My name is Anusha from KSR Junior College, Anantapur district. Hello?
Yes.
Yes,
You're audible.
continue.
Continue, Anusha.
By using Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
Anusha, you're audible.
You're audible. Please continue.
By using can, we can use many words like I can read, I can see, I can eat, I can write, I can walk, and also I can do anything. These are the 5. Not only these, we can use many words using can.
Similarly, Anusha, can you frame 5 questions using can?
Okay, sir. Can you do this work for me? Can you buy this to your mother? Can you get a glass of water for me? And also, can you like to do this work? Hello?
Very good. Yes, Anusha, very good. And Anusha, if possible, on your webcam,
Yes, ma'am, I will try.
Yes, Anusha, it's good now. So not only for Anusha, I'm requesting each and every student while you're answering, please on your webcams. Okay, na? Okay, Anusha, very good participation. You are speaking very good. Your communication skills are good in English, and keep it up,
Thank
ma.
you. Thank
Keep practicing like this. Okay.
you.
Okay, ma. Thank you. Please be in mute, Anusha. Sir, okay, shall we go with next question?
From all questions at one time. I mean, I want you to come up with some of the personality development questions.
Okay then. Okay.
So we'll
We
mix
ask
it up.
like
Students
okay
won't
then.
feel stressed.
Okay, sir. Then it's good. So now I'm going to ask a question from personality development children. Be ready to answer, and those who want to answer, please raise your hand. Not now. Revati Bhargavi. So after I said the question, you have to raise your hands, and this is the question. What are the advantages of friendship? What are the advantages of friendship?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, Amma. You're
Good
audible. I
morning,
think
ma'am.
you are
First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Sunil Prabhu from Government Vocational Junior College, Anantapur, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Government Vocational Junior College. So, coming to the advantages of friendship is they can understand us, ma'am. First of all, they can understand our feeling. They can spend time with us. We can know each other. We can share our feelings openly with them, and they kind of help us in struggle, ma'am. When we struggle, when we are in trouble, or when we struggle anything, so that they are there to help. They're prepared to help us in any way. They can also guide us and lead us in our path, that what goal we have, we can reach easily with their motivation. And there is no bonding like a friendship, ma'am. Friends are always are silly, and they love us. Sometimes they'll get angry on us, and sometimes they feel emotional with us. There is a lot in friendship, ma'am. A lot of package, like we don't have anywhere. So even I have a best friend called Prithvi. So we made a drone. We made a self drone with using thermocol, and it was very kind of funny, ma'am. We shared it in science lab, so they accepted, and they have given a marks of 100, and they were very surprised. We both made it, and sometimes we'll get angry, sometimes we'll be get distracted by others, but after that time, we'll come to understand each other, and we'll be rejoined again. So that's the kind of friendship, ma'am. So it's very helpful when we make a friendship. We'll know what the life is. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Good, Sunil. Sir, do
Thank
you
you,
want to interact with Sunil? Sai, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. Okay, Sunil, you are
Sir.
from GJC?
Yes, sir. Government Vocational Junior College, Anantapur, sir.
Okay, Anantapur.
Yes.
Anantapur. Just a second, Sunil.
Okay.
Okay, first of all, I congratulate you on being able to speak to us voluntarily, because no one forced you to give the answers, but you have voluntarily come up. So I congratulate you on that. And
Thank you, sir.
I also congratulate you for as well as your understanding regarding personality development. So we clearly explained about your friends and friendship.
Thank you,
I appreciate that. Okay, Sunil, thank you.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I mute myself, or
yeah,
definitely. Thank you, sir.
And one more thing I want to add, not just for Sunil, for everyone. So keep your camera just a far from, so that we can see your body languages. Because whenever you are talking, how you are using your hands, how you are using your face, so that we should be able to watch. Because that is where we have to give marks for body language. Okay, fine. So we'll, and one more thing, Anuradha ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I just get the information that this session only personality development questions should be asked. So I want someone to speak about these sessions. So how are these sessions useful to you? English sessions, not personality development sessions. So English sessions, in which way these English sessions are useful to you?
Morning, sir.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Firstly, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is P. Joy. I'm from Government Junior College, Kambam, Prakasham District. These classes are more helpful to us because we we can from these classes we can improve our English and communication skills, speaking skills, and also we we can we can uh, get some confident to speak with others also. And whenever uh, we my personal experience is when from the first day I'm listening these classes, I'm very happy to listening these classes, English classes, because I improve myself and my English and my communication skills and my speaking skills also. And these classes are more helpful to us because wherever we go to jobs interviews, some like this, the we nowadays we are all are communicating in English only. So these classes are helpful to speak English frequently and confidently with others, and we can easily get jobs and for while we speaking English in English, and other persons also uh, inspire other persons also um, inspires when we are speaking in English. My friends ask me, please lend me, please can you please help me to improve my English. So these classes are helpful to me, all students. But in my personal experience, to me it's more helpful to me because I improve my English and communication skills also. Thanks for giving this great opportunity, sir. Thank you.
Yes, very good, Joy. Joy, may I know your college name? GJC? Could you tell me the name of your college? Am I audible, Joy?
Ma'am, I'm from Government Junior College, Khammam, Prakasham District.
Khammam, okay then, very good. Very good, Joy. I appreciate you. I appreciate your efforts. I'm very happy to listen your views regarding this program. Really, if this program is helpful for you, really, if sorry, not really, you improved your communication. I hope you improved your communication skills in English. Am I right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, then. So that that is the main motto of this APSSDC online training sessions. Each and every one can improve your skills in English. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, very good, ma. Keep it up. Keep rocking.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Can I mute myself, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Mute yourself. Okay. Okay, children. I'm going to ask a question. One more question. So, any one of you from the session, tell me about your family. Kundana Bobbil Party. Ma'am, please unmute Kundana Bobbil Party.
A very good morning to one and all.
Amma, wait, please. Sorry for interrupting you. Please on your
No
webcam.
problem. Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Ma'am, sorry for your time waste.
Okay.
I'm Government Junior College Girls, Guntur. My English trainer is K. Madhuri, ma'am. My personality development trainer is Lahari, ma'am. And I belong to a nuclear family. My father name is B. Dayakar Rao and my mother name is Mrs. Swapna Sujata. I'm an IAS aspirant and my dream is to become an IAS officer and serve my nation. My hobbies are reading books, playing cricket, singing, dancing. Now, and I would like to speak about my family. We are 3 members, ma'am. We are 3 of our family, me, my father, and my mother. But I want to add in my family some more members. We are many. We are so many, ma'am. We are so many. I'm very happy that I got a wonderful family. We 3, sorry, ma'am. We three of us will laugh, play, and we enjoy a lot, ma'am. My father, used to struggle for me, ma'am. He used to work in the morning and he used to again work in the evening hours for my education and for our family income. And my mother is a teacher. She also used to work hard, and she, like me, she's also into other curricular activities also, ma'am. And not only we three of us, we actually moved to a one place where all our family members gathered together, and we used to play, laugh, we used to crack jokes, we used to dance, we used to sing, and we we used to watch movies also. I'm very happy to get I'm very blessed to get a nice family. And by these family gatherings, by this family togetherness, we will get to know that ethics, human values, you can inculcate some of the values. And also, and I am very happy to have such a great family. And thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you for your patience. And one more thing, ma'am, I apologize for the disturbances that came from my side. I'm very sorry. Thank you.
Kundana, very good. I just need one thing. What's your college name? Kundana, what's your college name?
Kundana, respond. Raise your hand again.
Sir, I am from Government Junior College Girls, Guntur, sir.
Guntur. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Very good, Kundana.
Thank you.
I'm really impressed by the way you responded. So I just have one question for you. So you said that you are an IAS aspirant. So you want to serve the nation. Very good, actually. So what motivated you to choose that profession?
Sir, from my childhood, I am an IAS aspirant, sir. Firstly, my mother, my father, they used to motivate them. They used to motivate me, sir. Since they don't have that, they don't have that capacity to crack IAS. They don't have that capacity, sir. For example, our parents, they're not in a very profiled job, sir. So they want me to succeed and help the poor and serve my nation. Since they didn't get the chance, they didn't get the opportunity to serve their nation. So they motivated me to serve my nation, and IAS is the very good platform to interact with people and to communicate and to know the actual lives of the people, sir. So my family members, they also motivated me, sir. My aunt, uncles, they also motivated me, sir. We are in a very low.
Sorry for interrupting you. So you mean that it's your family is why you chose this profession? You want to become an IAS officer, right?
Another one is that the social activities, sir. For example, you can see the conditions of our India, not only the poverty and everything. From childhood, I don't know about these, sir. From growing, now I am 17 years old, and I come to know that India should be developed. So from my side, I have to contribute to my nation, which can took into various things. So I am very passionate about serving my country, sir.
Okay, very good, Kundana, very good. I appreciate the vision you have already. at this point of age, the vision you had, I really congratulate you, and I wish you very, very good luck. I hope one day I will see you in the news that
Yes,
you
sir.
got what you wished for. Okay,
I'll
all the
come to
best
you
for
and
you.
wish you, sir.
Okay,
I'll
fine.
come to you and wish you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, my dear friends, for your patience. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, so the next question. So I want someone to come up with a story, not exceeding 3 minutes. Under 3 minutes, I want you to come up with a story in English.
Sorry, better to give the words.
Okay, fine. So I will give you some of the words. So using these words, I mean, if I give the words, it will take some time for them to frame the story. So I'm simply asking them to give a story, whatever they like.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So just tell me one story under 3 minutes with a motive. There should be some motive in the story. So give me one motive story under 3 minutes. So that's your question. So who want to respond, please raise your hand.
Yes, Anupama and GJC Girls Guntur.
Actually, if you don't mind, Srivani ma'am, can you find someone else apart from GJC Guntur? Because till now we have heard already 3 members from that college. So someone others from other colleges.
CBM GJC Girls.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir and madam.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am. Your voice is audible.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Amma. You are audible.
Ma'am, I like to say one little story.
Okay, it's up to you now. It's your turn. You can.
There is 2 friends in a village. Ma'am?
Yes, you are audible, Amma. Just first introduce yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I'd like to introduce myself firstly. My name is Jasmine. I am from GJC Government Junior College, Khammam, Prakasham district. In my college, I have participating in this session. Thanks to all teachers to giving this opportunity to say a small story to you. Firstly, ma'am, can I start the story?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Firstly, there is a 2 friends in the village. What happened is they are playing in a playground. So when they're playing the game, they suddenly they have mistaken their misunderstanding. They become a misunderstanding. So one of the friends have done this. I have to insult them. I want to insult the another friend. So he said that we have to meet once a time. Ma'am?
Yes, Jasmine, continue. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. So they both friends meet at a ground. So the friend said that why you losing your dreams? Finally, they meet at a ground to discuss some point. So the friend said to another friend, why are you losing your dreams? Why are you collapsing yourself? So the friend said that I'm addicted to the bad habits. So the one in both friends, one is good friend and the friend doesn't recognize that the friend have a bad friend. So the friend said that why don't you start habits like drinking, smoking, like those. So they in between sometime the friends who started drinking and smoking like some bad habits. So their parents was watching them. So the friends was the friend said the good friend said to that friend, why are you not studying well? Why are you not what is your wrong with your behavior. So the friend said that I am addicted to my bad habits. So the good friend suggested to just stop. Why are you using such a bad habit? Just recognize yourself. So the friend said, I don't want to hear your suggestion. So the friend, ma'am.
Yes, continue.
So he doesn't hear the friend's topic. So the friend said that you are losing yourself. Don't do like this. Your parents will be affected by you. So the bad friend just neglect him. That just neglect his words. So finally, what happened means the good friend became a good officer, but the bad friend become as a some local person. So the parents said that why you are both are good friends like, but why you become a good officer, but why he didn't. So the parents said you have a good friend to encourage your good thing, but you didn't recognize it. So the parents gave a suggestion. You have to listen your surrounding things, not only your surrounding members. You have to listen your good who encourages you in good things, not in your bad things. That's it, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks for giving this opportunity to me.
Yes,
Ma'am.
yes, Jasmine. Think of the
Thank you,
Jasmine. Thank you, Jasmine. Thank you for participating in this activity.
Thank you, ma'am.
And really, I want to ask you one question. Are you framed this story on your own now, or do you
Yes,
know
ma'am.
this story? This is your own creative story.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then good. You have a good creative skills, and try to your speaking skills also good, but in the middle you have committed some grammatical mistakes. Okay, na? So no problem. You can continue practice and practice makes a man perfect. Kada mistake and kada mistake and they met each other. Okay, na? So anyway, no problem. Thank you for participation. Okay, ma. Just please be in mute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Ma, the next question, I'm going to ask you one question. As Jasmine, please be in mute. How do you motivate yourself? So motivation is very important for each and everyone. Am I right? So how do you motivate yourself? Manali manam ela motivate cheskuntam. So those who want to answer for this, Madam, it's better. KSR, GGC, GJC Girls ATP. Shrivani ma'am.
Yes, GJC Girls ATP, please unmute. Divya Amdal Valsa, unmute. Yeah, continue, please.
Getting motivated is hard.
Amma, please on your webcam. On your webcam.
Madam, webcam is not working, madam.
Okay, then first start your answer with a self-introduction. Introduce yourself first.
Good morning, madam. My name is Pravalika. I am from KSR College, Atanantpur. I am studying in the second year, MPHW. Getting motivated is hard, especially you are in a funk or stressed about one of the many things going on in our life.
Your life forcing yourself to follow your dream.
Pravalika, what happened? Okay, Lakshmi, do you want to speak? Mahesh Naik, unmute.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I?
Pravalika, continue.
Good morning, madam. Getting motivated is hard, especially when you are in a funk or stressed about one of the many things going on in your life. Pushing yourself to follow your dreams or let alone get out of bed in the morning is sometimes easier said than done. Luckily, we know a few ways to give all the motivation you need to tackle whatever may be in front of you. These simple yet effective tips will help you hit the refresh button on your life in no time at all. Read ahead to see the best things you can do, get motivated, and get beyond top of it. Thanks, madam.
Sorry, actually, what's your name?
Raise your hand again.
Srivena ma'am, you do one thing. So whoever is speaking, kindly put them on spotlight so that we can
Yes,
please view the name here. So someone else is there on the spotlight, but someone else is talking. So it's a bit difficult. And video is also not
Yes.
visible. Her college name.
College name Anantapur GJC.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Who is this?
Good morning, sir, and madam, and my dear friends. First of
Who's
all, I
talking?
would like to introduce myself. My name is Mahesh Nayak, and I am studying second year CEC English medium. And my college name is Government Junior College for Boys at Newton in Anantapuram. My batch number is 1. I motivation myself by doing spiritual devotion daily, daily yoga and meditation. And also I am trying to speak in English fluently as it is a global language and also a window to gain knowledge. I must improve to learn English. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
Okay, thank you, Mahesh. Thank you for the participation. Okay, next question. So what do you know about written communication? Someone please respond. Mahesh Nayak, you put yourself in mute. Some others please respond. What do you know about written communication?
Yes, Anjali, unmute. Anjali, unmute. Already interacted students, please don't raise your hands. Give a chance to others also. Anjali, you can unmute and talk now. Akanksha, unmute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
good
am I
morning.
audible?
Yes, you're audible, Amma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My
Possible
name
on
is
your webcam.
Akanksha. I am from KSR GJC Anantapur, ma'am.
Akanksha, please turn on your webcam. Yes, sir.
I have a doubt. So should we continue this session or should we shift to the other link?
Yes, sir. Now session 2 will begin. Shall we wind up the session?
Okay, then we will continue the same in the next another Zoom.
Yeah, with the another link, sir.
Yeah.
Continue, Akanksha.
Ma'am, Anjali ma'am is there.
Yes, Anjali, continue.
Sir, everyone, good morning. First, all of you, thank you giving this opportunity to introduce importance of communication. I am Anjali. I am from KSR Government Junior College for Girls and Anantapur. Written communication. Written communication, it is more important to our life. It has present meaning of types, importance, advantages, disadvantages, process, different between verbal and written communication. Why do we communicate? Why do we communicate in written? Expressing our thoughts, our ideas, our feelings, our views, sharing information, images, giving advices, teaching, consulting, writing rules and laws, for expressing our creativity, selling goods and services, public and adversity. Written communication is very common business situations, so it is important for everyone in an organization, for the employers to chief executive office, to develop effective written communication skill. To be effective, written communication should be clarity, correctness, consciousness. Advantages of written communication: easy to preserve, easy to presentation of complex matters, permanent record, prevention of wastage of mind and money, accurate presentation, declaration of authority, effective communication, attract more confidence, proper information, controlling tool, easy to verify. Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. End of this.
Yes, Anjali. Thank
Yes,
you
ma'am.
for participating, Anjali. And
Yes,
I think you are from GJC Girls Anantapur, KSR GJC
ma'am.
Girls.
Yes, ma'am. KSR Government Junior.
Okay, I have a doubt that this written communication, ma'am dealt with this topic or no?
Yes, ma'am. Shall
Okay,
tell.
good, ma'am. Good. Okay,
Thank
then.
you, sir.
Shivan.